Kaneswafo no ohwe trade and industry so ra Alan Kyeremanteng ne wodi ababeto abonten se NPP amanyoko no bie mu kwan se wona wani je se wo 2 franc ama wo no mu no a wonfo wondi mbra no waye krado so obekọ saa kon no Adom TV Kasee etwoso Kaneswafo no hwe edwadie enimfidi dwuma so Alan Kyeremanteng edi atudwa sesesei wo begina apre franka tuni dibre ewo NPP amanyoko no emu enra enwumre no nwotwe ena one omanfo edi nkomo edi sansemi etudwa ochwese ebreduru so na NPP amanyoko no ebieto na wokofa nkrata akopre franka tuni dibre ono nso ebekobi wone nkasa yemu no oda amampanyini ase so ma na kwanya ema no so ne manfo bese emfie ensia ewo na mamuo emu.
His Excellency the President, for the opportunity given me to serve the good people of Ghana in his administration over the last 6 years, and for graciously accepting my resignation as Cabinet Minister responsible for trade and industry with effect from the 16th of January 2023. Thirdly, I wish to use this platform to formally announce my decision to contest the flagbearership of the new patriotic party when the party officially opens nominations for that purpose. The President has laid a strong foundation for the socio-economic development of our country, although I believe there are things that could have been done differently. My vision is to build a superstructure on this foundation that will bring prosperity to our nation.